Welcome to IT Corporate Training, the corporate training division of Compufield. My name is Fayaz Khairaz and I am one of the trainers for Microsoft Excel working with Compufield. In this video, we would like to explain you exactly what we would be covering in the 2 full day Advanced Excel program. The first topic of the workshop is Introduction to Excel. For example, what is Excel? What are the applications of Excel? What is a cell? What is the structure of Excel? What is the significance of an equal to sign while entering the formula? What is the default alignment for text? What is the default alignment for number? What is the default alignment for a date? And so on. The next topic is cell references, which is absolute reference and relative reference. For example, in this sheet, we have the name of the employees, we have the salary, we have the job rating, and we have the HRA, DA, and TA, and with the total salary which we will be paying. Here, the HRA is 9%. For example, if I want to change this 9% and I want to make it 2%, accordingly, all these numbers should be changing. For example, I come to this particular cell, instead of 9%, I make it 2%, I hit the enter button and all my numbers change accordingly and the total salary also changes. For example, if DA is 4%, I want to increase my DA from 4% to 9%, I simply hit the button 9 and all the modifications have taken place. After making it 9%, the changes are applied. In the next sheet, instead of us writing 2%, 9% and 20% over here, what we would do is, we would take a new sheet and we would give the entire access to this particular sheet. In this example, instead of writing HRA 2%, DA 9% and TA 20% on this specific sheet, what we would want to do is, we would want to centralize the control. For example, we take a new sheet in which we mention the numbers, and in the following sheet, we are calling the same values. For example, over here, if I from 10% HRA, if I make it 2%, hit the enter button, come to the next sheet, the HRA is modified. I come back over here, the TA is 10%, if I make it 12%, I hit the enter button. If I go to the following sheet, 12%. What exactly we are doing is, we are centralizing these values in this specific sheet. And if these values are used anywhere within the entire workbook, by changing this one cell, automatically those values would be changed in the entire workbook. The next topic is if condition. This is our data where we have the employee code, we have the first name, the last name, the department, region, branch, hire date and salary. After we finish teaching if condition, every participant needs to complete this particular assignment. For example, if the department is marketing or finance, you would be giving the employees 10% bonus. If salary is greater than 10,000 and the region is south, then they are applicable for tax reduction. If the region is north and branch is Agra, then 2% tax on the basic salary. If the participant is not from Delhi, then you would like to give them traveling allowance. If salary is greater than 15,000, then 6.5% commission. If department is personal and region is north, then you would want to give them provident fund. If they are not from the east, then you want to give them tax benefit. And if salary is greater than 11,000, 7.3% increment. After which we have another assignment. Here we have a list of employees, department, status, hire date, the number of years worked, salary and job rating. The questions are, if the person is from the contract, you would want to give bonus 3.21. Full-time 6.20, half-time 4.10 and hourly 2%. Then if the salary is greater than 15,000 and status is contract, you want to give them bonus. The third question is, if the number of years worked is greater than 10 or they are from the contract department, you want to give them bonus. The fourth question is, the salary has to be greater than 15,000 and the job rating should be 2 or the status should be full-time. In this question, you would be using and or in the same statement.